In this video, we will tell you the process of filling the SNAP application form. To register for SNAP 2023 and fill the application form, open the SNAP Test website on an internet browser and click on Apply Now. Then click on Register. A new page will open with instructions related to form filling. Read the instructions and click on the checkbox at the bottom to continue. In the registration page, mention your name, date of birth, email ID, category and country. Also select the number of SNAP test sessions and cities. You can select only one city per session. Now upload your recent passport size photo, click on the checkbox and continue. An OTP will be sent to the mobile phone and email ID. Use that OTP to verify registration to move to fee payment window. The SNAP 2023 fee is Rs 2,250. Select the fee payment mode, click here to continue to go to the fee payment window. Fill the relevant details in the fee payment window and pay the amount. Once the payment is done, you will be able to fill rest of the details in the SNAP form. On this page, you have to mention your work experience, educational information, courses you want to apply to, and address for correspondence. Press Save and continue to go to payment window again. This time you have to pay Rs 1,000 per course that you have selected on the previous page. The payment process is same. Once it is done, your form will be submitted.